Conventional morality is the second level of Lawrence Kohlberg's theory of moral development, which describes how people develop ethical reasoning through different stages. At the conventional level, individuals abide by societal norms, laws, and rules, focusing on maintaining social order and gaining approval from others. This level typically emerges during adolescence but can persist into adulthood. Unlike pre-conventional morality, which is driven by self-interest and avoiding punishment, and post-conventional morality, which is guided by abstract principles and ethical reasoning, conventional morality emphasizes conformity and the importance of authority. Key features. First, conventional morality emphasizes social approval. Individuals at this stage are concerned with gaining approval from others and being perceived as good members of society. Their actions are often guided by a desire to be liked and accepted by their peers and authority figures. Second, there is a strong focus on law and order. People at this level believe that rules and laws are important for maintaining social order and should be followed to ensure a functioning society. Third, role expectations are significant. Individuals at the conventional level often make moral decisions based on the roles they occupy, such as being a good student, a loyal friend, or a responsible citizen. They strive to fulfill the expectations associated with these roles. Here are some examples of conventional morality in action. A student follows school rules to avoid detention and gain the approval of teachers. An employee abides by company policies to be seen as reliable and trustworthy by their employer. A teenager conforms to peer pressure to fit in with their social group. A citizen obeys traffic laws, believing that it is important for public safety and social order. Let's explore two key strengths of conventional morality. One strength of conventional morality is that it promotes social cohesion. By encouraging individuals to follow societal norms and laws, conventional morality helps maintain order and stability within communities. Another strength is that it fosters a sense of belonging. Individuals who adhere to conventional morality often feel connected to their social groups and gain a sense of identity and purpose through fulfilling social roles. However, conventional morality has limitations. One major limitation is rigidity. Since individuals at this stage prioritize conformity and adherence to rules, they may struggle to adapt to changing circumstances or question unjust laws and practices. Another limitation is limited moral reasoning. Conventional morality can restrict individuals from developing a deeper understanding of ethical principles, as their moral decisions are primarily based on external approval and social norms rather than personal values and critical thinking. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.